Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Motorola Escape headphones with your laptop. So first of all, you have to find this button on the headphones and then click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking quickly blue and red. There we go. So right now on our laptop, all you have to do is just open the settings, go for the Bluetooth and devices, turn it on, click to add device, select Bluetooth device, and from the list you have to select your Motorola Escape 220 headphones. And as you can see, we are successfully connected, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.